Hey, what's good, y'all? This is Wood Jr., man. I trust all is well. Happy Sunday to you. What's up, boo?
What's up, my king? Good morning, YouTubers.
Good morning, YouTubers. Babe, where did you get this jacket? Man, that mud nice.
From my hubby dubby. Christmas gift.
Oh, that thing is nice. Hold on, look. Oh, man.
Yeah.
Bro, Harley makes some really great jackets. It has the vents, guys. Yeah, that thing look good.
Thank you.
And you rock it well, babe.
Thank you. It's really
Rock it
comfortable.
well. That's right.
Warm.
Mwah.
I like it.
Do the tassel thing, babe. Man, look, it is 27 degrees out here, man. And Wifey says she wants to ride on the bike with me, bro. Listen, keep her.
Good.
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get Wifey the full face helmet, guys. I'm gonna have Wifey to rock the full face because it's really cold out there, man. Like the wind will freeze your face up. So, man, I thank God for these full face helmets, man. Like that really helped out a lot too when we were rolling down to Jacksonville. For those who was asking yesterday, these are the gloves, man, that I got from Cycle Gear here. Like literally, they work, bro. Bro, look at my grass, man. Oh my gosh. Bro, if your wifey ride with you to service in 27-degree weather, you gotta do the laundry at least for a month, man. Or you gotta make dinner for a month. I don't know. Babe, what do I have to do since you ride in the service with me in the cold?
Wash and fold the laundry.
Babe, it looked like you after me or something, you know? Hey, y'all, look, Wifey said she gonna lotion my hands when we get to church. Bro, this is what cold to do to you, bro. It look like I've been eating powdered donuts. Look at this, bro. This is bad, man. But she gonna put lotion on them when we get to church. That's my queen, man. All right, babe, what we gonna do, man? First three gears, it's cold, baby! Babe, is it so cold that we need to go ahead and get in service and not mention a certain thing? Or should we mention that certain thing?
We need to mention that certain thing.
Well, what is that certain thing? Because it's so cold, it's 27 degrees. I might have forgot about that certain thing.
Well, let me remind you.
Okay. Do you guys know what that certain thing is? Because I have no idea what it is.
Free motorcycle parking.
Free motorcycle parking, man. What's up? All right, we're about to get over here because we cold. All right, brother. That's Steve, guy. Cool dude. You enjoy service?
Yes, it was really good.
Good, man. That's what's up. What was the topic?
In a rock in a hard place.
Yeah.
And remembering that Jesus is our rock.
That's right.
We can lean on and trust in him in difficult times.
Hey. You guys know every time we pull up and I do the motorcycle parking and she says, y'all want me to take a picture? This is our friend right here. You want to say hi to everybody?
Hi everybody. Hope you have a wonderful day.
Awesome.
It sure is cold, and these people are crazy. Look at that. Oh my
That's
gosh.
right.
I had to wear my socks to bed last night. They're riding a motorcycle to church.
Yeah. All right, you take care. See ya.
Thanks. We'll see y'all next week.
All right. Man, if you guys thought we were crazy for riding our motorcycle to service this morning in 27-degree weather, well, we just left service and me and Wifey said, hey, you know what? Why don't we get 2 McFlurries at McDonald's? So we are in McDonald's line, bro, about to get 2 McFlurries. Hey, what Wifey wants, Wifey gets. Go for it, you're fine. This is our first time ever in the drive-thru on a motorcycle, guys. All right. It is cold. We're warriors. Take care. Hey man, we here at my buddy Skyy house, man. Skyy, y'all know Skyy just got his bike, man. So I'm the guy now get to put his garter bell on. So Full Metal put Ross the Cross garter bell on. Ross the Cross put my garter bell on, and now I'm gonna put Skyy's on. Let me show y'all the garter bell. So T-Dog put Full Metal garter bell on. There go Full Metal's there. Now that's too cool there. So, all right, T-Dog put Full Metal's on. Full Metal put Ross's on. There go Ross's. Nice. So, and then Ross the Cross put my garter bell on. Look at that grenade, man. That's what I'm talking about. Man, so now I'm about to put my guy Skyy garter bell on. So check this out, y'all. This is what I got him. I rolled up the cycle gear, and let me see if I can do this here. So I rolled up the cycle gear, and I rolled up the cycle gear, and I actually purchased this garter bell here. So I can do it with one hand. Check that out. Isn't that cool? And see the flames? Cause Skyy bike name is Vader. And for those Star Wars guys out there, Darth Vader means Lord and Master. And so with a name like that, I know he can walk through flames. So, and I took it a step above, and I also got him an angel. Let me see if I can pull this out. Let's see. Bear with me.
There's no wood over here shooting a movie, so.
There we go. So got him an angel for his vest. So we about to get it done. All right. So I get to do this again, or I never get to do this again?
You know, somebody ain't got a garter bell.
Oh, okay. I thought it was like the first and last. Okay. Thanks for the zip ties too, brother. All right, so it has to be on the engine guard, or
It's got to be somewhere he can see it.
somewhere he can see it? Okay. He don't get the right to pick, right?
It's just somewhere he knows he's not gonna knock it off.
Okay.
So the best thing, but I'm gonna tell you honestly, the best thing to do is put it right there on the highway bar, like up on the mountain.
Like this? Okay. In particular place, because I'm gonna put it here. I just want you to check it out, man. This is an honor, man.
Hey, bro, it's an honor for me.
Uh-oh, why ain't it ringing?
It's phone ring.
It'll ring.
It ain't gonna protect. It ain't gonna ring till it protect you from something. That's
So,
the purpose.
where you planning on putting this thing?
Oh, there you go. Okay, I was about to say.
It ain't supposed to ring till it protect you from something.
Oh, I shot this stuff last night. That's what that is. Where you putting that thing out?
He's saying here. What do you think here? Because I want to make sure it's out of your way because you do a lot
can't
of
ask
custom work. Oh.
You gotta put it where you turn around and sit the seat to the left.
As long as you can visually see it. Is that, you know what I'm saying? Like right.
That's fine, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, right there.
It's good.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, is this the kind to do all like this?
Look, my knife over there.
You got a knife on you? See, Ross ain't got his knife on him. Hold on, check this
I
out.
have a blade on.
I always have a blade.
See,
Lord.
it's Full Metals, man. This guy here, he just.
Boy.
Hang on, let me.
You do that damn laugh he doing now, like, oh God.
How you
It's
close it?
about to be blood all over the cement.
Oh, there we go. So you just flop, flop, flop. And hold on, just.
I knew better than that.
There we go.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure we'll probably be out riding. That's in there. Them boys out riding.
There we
They were
go.
about to pull me out yesterday. That was gonna be a no-go for me, man.
Now, if I got this correct, Full Metal, correct me if I ain't got this correct. The purpose of the garter bell, Sky, is to keep the road shadow demons away for when you ride. So when you hit a pothole, every time you hit a pothole, the garter bell shakes and it takes the shadow demons and throw them in a pothole. That's why they got so many potholes in the street.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna stop that and let you re-edit that.
Well, I mean,
That's just wrong. The reason why you see potholes is because the garter bell dropped the demons off the bike.
okay.
Not to protect you from the pothole, it just show you if you see potholes, that's where it came from the garter bell.
All right, so Sky, if you see potholes, that's custom.
I kind of already know. But if you want to explain, that's cool. I'm going to let you do.
Thank you, man. Okay. All right. Now, I also put it in just like just a protection, you know what I'm saying, for the good Lord to protect you. That's why I got, check it out, that's why I got him the angel.
On the bike blessing because you get blessed.
Yes, sir. Yep, so more so of a blessing as well. You
must not have the...
Yeah, I'm going to present this to Sky. There you go,
Thank
yes,
you,
sir. Yes,
Thank
sir.
you, man. Let's see, you know what? Real talk.
Yeah.
I've never had an angel.
Yeah, that's what's up, man.
Cheers. Excuse the tiny bit.
Yeah. Oh, I got to get something to cheers. Yeah. Is it over here? Just grab.
This is sodas. Because I figured you wasn't a drinker.
Yeah, you're right.
It's okay. It's all right.
Oh, thanks, bro.
I'm so not judgy.
Thank you,
Get you
man.
open up on them sodas and get your apple juice or
Okay.
get you a buy water up under here, whatever you want, man.
I'll try to get a 7-Up if that's okay. Oh, orange juice, yeah.
Now, where is it all going?
Just drinking
Yeah.
straight orange juice, man.
Toast, brother. Yes, sir. Toast, bro.
The ladies were mad
Full
as
Metal.
hell. They was like, oh my God.
We toasted it up, baby.
She said, we ain't got it anymore.
Oh, yeah. When I drink all the orange juice. Man, I love orange juice. Gosh, I love orange juice. This is
Because I
nice,
went
bro.
down the street, I was like, dang, I ain't got nothing here for the guys to drink.
The
you know,
dark
I
side.
get some sodas or something. So I shot down the street. And I just walked
Yes,
in,
sir.
grabbed something with that little just grabbed
Man,
some.
my first garter bell. That's pretty
Next thing I
cool.
know,
Oh yeah, we had a good time, man, at Hooters, man. I am super full. And I got my wifey some wings as well, so I got you, boo. All right, y'all, about to roll out. Skyy, congratulations on your Guardian Bell, bro.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate you, man.
Yes, sir. Prince, as always. Ross the Cross. I mean, full medal. So, all right, brother. So now you got to do the Guardian Bell to the next person, man.
I sure will.
All right. All right, y'all. Blessings, man.